Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to disable your private mode or how you can change your private mode. Now, how you can change it, it's very simple. Right now here I'm on a normal browser, like the normal public Safari. And right now if I click here, I'm on a private browser. So this is how you can do this. Alright, from now I want to disable this. So what I need to do now is I need to go to my settings, let's see. Then we scroll down to screen time, then tap on content and privacy, then click on App Store, Media, Web and Games, and then go to web content. Right here we need to click on limit adult websites, and right now you can fill in here the websites that you can allow or never allow if you want to. And if we go back to Safari right now, you see that we only have the public browser. So when you're an adult or you need to check your kids or children for what they are searching, you can do this on the best way. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.